Hello! How often do you go grocery shopping? Once a week? Twice? And do you ever feel like the prices of processed foods keep going up? Well, what if I tell you that many of the foods and ingredients you buy in stores, like powdered drinks and spices, sauces and snacks, can actually be made right in your own kitchen? That's what this channel is all about. Welcome to Homemade Processed Foods, where I'll show you how to make some of the common factory processed foods you buy in stores, but healthier, fresher, and often cheaper. You'll learn simple and practical ways to process foods safely and naturally using ingredients and equipment you already have at home. By the way, I'm Philip Sil Nieras, 56 years old, and a food technologist with over 10 years of experience in the food industry, mostly in quality assurance, research, and development, especially in confectionery. In this channel, I'll share not just what ingredients to use, but also how much, so that you can actually try making each product at home. You know, making your own processed foods at home has many advantages. First, you control the ingredients. That means no unnecessary chemicals and synthetic additives such as artificial flavors and colors, preservatives, and sweeteners. If you've ever read the label of a store-bought product, you've probably seen ingredients that you don't even recognize, right? Second, you control contamination risks because you prepare everything cleanly in your own kitchen. And most of all, you enjoy healthier, fresher, safer, and more affordable versions of your favorite foods. So if you're a homemaker or someone who loves preparing food for your family, join me in this journey. I'll help you make delicious, safe, and healthy home processed foods using your own tools and creativity. In my next video, I'll show you how to make chocolate milk powder at home using just 4 basic ingredients. Yes, the kind you usually buy in stores, but this time it's homemade. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so you won't miss the next videos. See you soon. God bless.